Hello, children. Here are some clues. Binoculars? I wonder what they are for. A map? Go through the field, splash through the river, squelch through the mud, through the dark forest, through the snowstorm, until they get to a cave. I wonder what's in the cave. What's this? Do you know where they have gone, children?